Here we are at Flash Equipment, Professional Installations. We are putting in 6-strobe package along with a 1500 watt inverter mounted up to the battery. Professionally customized the harness here, crimped the copper lugs, put it on a 150 amp fuse block. If you're doing inverter installs, if it's a 1500 watt, drop the 0 off the end. That means you need a 150 amp fuse. Always run the proper gauge cable. This is a 0 gauge. Mounted exactly where the customer wanted it, going underneath the seat. We cut out some starboard and made our own base and mounted it down to the framing. Get it at Flash.